Interested in what comes in the box for the new Andis Phenom Trimmer? Well, in this video, we're gonna be finding out. All right, guys, check it out. So like I said, we're going to be doing an unboxing on this Andis Phenom Trimmer. I just got this from Fort Worth Barber Supply. They hooked your boy up. As y'all seen before, I did do the Andis Phenom Clipper. Typically, I like to do those videos together, you know what I'm saying, the unboxing of the Clipper and Trimmer. However, they only had the Clipper in at first, so they sent me the Clipper first, and now I finally got my hands on the Trimmer. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of this, and I'm going to let y'all know my initial thoughts. FYI, guys, this is just an unboxing, not a review, not a first impression, just, you know, I guess technically it is a first impression, but I'm not going to be talking about the performance. I'm just going to be talking about what's in the box and what I think of the actual ergonomics. So check it out, man. Once again, here is the box, the Andis Phenom Cordless Trimmer. DLC deep tooth T-blade. It's got interchangeable covers and grips, high-speed brushless power for precision trimming up to 4 hours of runtime, USB-C charging with premium charging stand, 7200 SPM corded or cordless. Precision DLC deep tooth T-blade, can be zero gapped. Brushless motor provides high torque power at 7200 SPMs. Interchangeable cover and grips. Durable full metal ergonomic design. Long-lasting lithium-ion battery for up to 4 hours, like I said a few seconds ago. But yeah, man, that's basically everything on there. As you can see, we can see the picture of the trimmer on the back. And it's got, as y'all can see, it's got some like words right here, but that's basically everything I already read. So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and open up this box. Once again, man, shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply. If y'all do want to purchase not just this tool, but any tool, you can go to their website, fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get this box out of that box and then open this one up. Check it out. As you can see, it says Phenom right there. So as we open it up, check it out. The trimmer is in there in a little plastic sleeve, whatever you want to call it. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. I like the weight of it, man. See, me personally, I like my clippers to be a little heavy. Not like super heavy, but I like a little bit of weight to them. But check it out, man. Here is the trimmer. The trimmer looks nice, man. Looks exactly like the clipper, only obviously a little smaller like a trimmer. And as I said in my previous video of the clipper, it reminds me a little bit of the Low Pro, right? And I know, once again, I'm not saying that they copied Babyliss, and there's actually some other brands that have like this same style. I don't remember them off the top of my head, but they have some same styles of this clipper. And I'm not saying that anyone copied anybody. They may have, but I'm not saying that in this video. I'm just here to give y'all my thoughts on it, right? But as you can see, nice looking trimmer, full metal body, nice weight to it. It's got a thumb, what's that called? Like rubber grip right there. We got some nice ergonomic grooves in the back. As you can see, we got on and off switch down there. USB-C charging. Can y'all see that? We got USB-C charging, or you can charge it with those on the charging stand as well. We have the on and off switch on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So the trimmer sounds nice as well, man. The trimmer has a nice sounding motor on it. Like the vibration, like the sound of it. I feel like I'll be able to hear every little hair getting cut with this. Like I'll be able to feel every crunch. But off the rip, man, looks good. Check out that blade on there. It says Phenom on it. I don't know if y'all can see it due to the glare. But it's a DLC blade. Shout out to Andis once again, man. But let's continue looking at what they got in this box. As you can see, I almost dropped it. But as you can see, we also get the charging stand. Nice looking charging stand, similar to the charging stand for the clipper. But that's how the clipper fits in the charging stand. As you can see, we have the Andis branding right here, and then the USB-C charging port in the back. Now we're gonna take out this little sleeve, or whatever you wanna call it, cover, and see what else comes inside of this box. So we get a few things, nothing too crazy, but y'all can see inside of the box right there. As y'all can see, we have a charging brick. Obviously, we're gonna need that to charge the trimmer. We have a USB cord, USB to USB-C cord to charge the trimmer. Let's put this to the side. We also get a fade brush that I don't think anyone ever really uses. Like, well, this ain't a fade brush, I guess it's a cleaning brush. But if y'all use these, y'all let me know down in the comments, man. I'm interested to see who actually uses those brushes. And then we also get another cover in here. Let me take this out of here. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I'm trying to hurry up because my microphones are gonna die. Trying to hurry up a little bit. But we have another cover in here, as you can see, a black one. We have the white rubber grip, so you can put the white rubber grip in there, and the black cover with the white rubber grip would look like that. So you can change the lid on it. That's pretty dope. Shout out to Andis for providing you with options. We also get some trimmer guards. I've never used a set of trimmer guards. If you have, let me know down in the comments. I've been saying I'm gonna do like a challenge using nothing but trimmer guards, but I've never done it. But if y'all would like to see that on this channel and y'all would like to see me challenge other barbers to doing that, y'all let me know down in the comments, man. Let me know. We also get some Andis clipper oil, and then we get a pamphlet that, you know, we really ain't never gonna look at. So basically in the box, we get the trimmer, we get the charging stand, we also get the charger for it. We get some oil, some guards, a cleaning brush, and then the different lid with the different rubber grip on there. And that's basically all that comes in the box. And you get the pamphlet or the manual, whatever you want to call it. But you know, we don't ever really look at that on this channel, man. Like I just, you know, I've never really looked at those. But nonetheless, check it out, man. Once again, the Andis Phenom Trimmer. First impressions, first thought of this trimmer out the box, without me actually using it, it feels good in the hand, man. It feels really comfortable. Like the way that thing feels in the hand, like the rubber grip on there, like the on and off switch. It's like really comfortable to turn on. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's real easy to turn on. Like the sound of this trimmer, like the blade on it looks real Babyliss-y, if you will, you know what I'm saying? Once again, not saying they copied anybody, I'm just saying it looks a little Babyliss-y, you know what I'm saying? But y'all check that out once again. All in all, man, I'm excited to use this. I hope this thing hits. Currently, I'm using different trimmers on my station. I got the Wall High Vis, I got the Saber. What else do I got on my station? I got the Babyliss and Tomb 45 trimmer. So I got those on my station right now. So we're gonna see if this one gonna make the cut and this one gonna stay on my station, man. So y'all make sure to like this video and subscribe. That way y'all can see if this trimmer actually stays on my station. But once again, if you are interested in purchasing this trimmer, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Also, if y'all like these shades, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think they have these shades anymore. But if y'all seen any shades your boy be rocking in his videos, all those shades are from Habibi. That's iwearhabibi.com. You can use my discount code on their website. I'm not sure if it's TANK10 or TANK15, but I will put that on the screen for y'all once I kind of figure out what it is, right? That's iwearhabibi.com. Use my discount code to save yourself a little bit of money. But with that being said, man, check out this trimmer one more time for the one time. I'm excited to use this. Like the weight of it, like the way it feels in hand. Feels like it's gonna be a good trimmer. We're gonna have to actually put this to use and see what it does. So like I said, y'all make sure y'all like this video and subscribe, because I will be doing an updated video on this trimmer, letting y'all know what I thought about it after I used it for a couple days. So with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.